In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT is not designed to provide this type of content. ChatGPT error problem solve. If you seeing this message, ChatGPT is not designed to provide this type of content, don't worry. These issues usually happens when the request goes against the AI platform safety policy or the prompt content restricted word. Let's see how to fix. ChatGPT is not designed to provide this type of content problem. Step 1. Rewrite the prompt in clear and simple way. Avoid sensitive or restricted keywords. Ask the question in a educational or informational format. Step 2. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix. ChatGPT is not designed to provide this type of content. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.